Hey there. Listen to me. If you are approaching retirement or if you're already there, you might think a tool like Wrike, a digital project management platform, is just for the young corporate tech crowd. It's not. In fact, if you are consulting, managing a post-retirement business, organizing a community nonprofit, or even handing off a family company to the next generation, understanding how a tool like Wrike organizes people isn't just a technical skill. It is a critical shield for your time, your money, and your sanity. But I know what scares you. The biggest fear I hear from folks in this stage of life is the fear of losing control, or worse, accidentally breaking something. You log into a software program, you see a massive dashboard with hundreds of buttons, and you think, if I click the wrong thing, am I going to delete the entire project? Am I going to expose financial data? Am I going to look foolish in front of my younger colleagues or clients? Paralyzes you. You worry that technology is a trapdoor, and one wrong move will cost you. So the big question you need answered right now is, how do I participate in this digital workspace without risking my data? And how do I set up others so they can only see what they absolutely need to see? The answer lies entirely in understanding Wrike's user roles. Think of Wrike like a secure condominium building. Just because someone has a key to the front lobby doesn't mean they have a key to your safe. Wrike uses specific roles to dictate exactly who can build things, who can change things, and who is just there to look. First, you have the regular users. These are your full-time team members, your active business partners, or your core project leads. They have full keys to the kingdom when it comes to standard work. They can create tasks, change deadlines, share folders, and log hours. If you are actively managing a project, this is what you want to be. But hear me on this. Do not hand out regular user access to everyone. If you give a temporary contractor or a casual volunteer a regular user role, you are giving them the power to accidentally alter your timelines or mess up your master schedules. Next, there are external users. This role is a magnificent boundary creator for people approaching retirement. An external user can see the tasks assigned to them, they can update their own progress, and they can communicate with you. But here is the magic. They cannot delete folders, they cannot see things that aren't explicitly shared with them, and they cannot invite other people into the workspace. If you hire a freelance graphic designer to create a logo for your new consulting firm, or if you hire a local contractor to renovate a property for your retirement income portfolio, this is the role you give them. They get their work done, but they cannot touch your infrastructure. Then there is the collaborator role. This is the ultimate safety net for you if you are afraid of breaking things, or if you are inviting stakeholders who just need a bird's eye view. Collaborators can view tasks, they can add comments, and they can change a task status, like marking something from in progress to complete. That is it. They cannot create new tasks, they cannot change dates, and they cannot accidentally drag a folder into the trash bin. If you are stepping back from your business and handing operations over to your adult children, but you still want to monitor what is happening without accidentally disrupting their daily workflow, you make yourself a collaborator. You stay informed, but your hands are effectively tied from making catastrophic technical errors. Finally, at the top, you have the administrators. The admins control the billing, the global settings, and the security privileges. As the owner of the business or the creator of the account, you will likely be an admin. But if tech stresses you out, your goal should be to find a trusted, tech-savvy proxy, a virtual assistant, a trusted junior partner, or a project manager, and make them an admin too so they can handle the heavy digital lifting while you focus on high-level strategy. Now, let's talk about your actionable takeaway, because knowledge without action is utterly useless. If you are using Wrike right now, or if you are about to log in for the first time, your immediate assignment is to conduct a digital audit. Do not just blindly add people to your workspace. Sit down with a piece of paper. Write down the name of every single person who needs access to your project. Next to their name, ask yourself, do they need to build the structure? Do they just need to do the work? Or do they just need to see the progress? If they just need to see progress, assign them as a collaborator. If they are an outside vendor, assign them as an external user. Only grant regular user status to those who genuinely need to modify your plans.